Welcome back to another Cape Coral Fort Myers online tour. Today we are in Southwest Cape Coral and I'm here in front of this beautiful home I'm going to show you. It's a D.R. Horton Cali model. Let's go. What am I gonna do first? I'm gonna take you around the house so you can see the home from the outside and then we'll move in. Okay, here I'm standing right in front of this beautiful paver driveway. I can show you over here. This is where the shut-off valve to the home. Okay, if you're a snowbird and you're leaving the house here for season, you could just shut off that valve and the house doesn't have any water inside. A lot of people tend to do that when they leave the homes. Over here is your electrical meter. Your AC. This is your carrier unit here. Over here you got your sprinkler system, Hunter sprinkler system. And let's keep going. If you would like more information on this home or you would like to know the price, please feel free to call us. I don't tend to put the prices on new construction because it varies a lot, and I don't, I put the video for it to be for a long time, and when you put prices it kind of makes it look crazy. Okay, so that's why I don't put prices on it. But if you have any questions on the home or you would like to know the price, feel free to contact us. You can call us at 239-410-7372 or you can text us. Okay, let's continue over here. Over here you got an outlet outside, and then you have your little area here. So you can, barbecue and do your little outside activities here. You also have an outlet. I have seen some of our past customers, they have actually installed a TV on that wall there. They also screen this area, so it becomes a screen lanai. It's very nice in Florida to have a lanai, especially during the winter, because that way you can open the slider and let the nice cool air breeze in. So it's a good idea. And also if you want to be outside in the afternoon, you can even be out here during the summer. It's nice because you got your wind going, and the bugs can get to you. During winter, not that much, but in the summer, you get a lot of mosquitoes and bugs bothering you. So if you get a home, make sure you have a lanai outside if you like to be outside. Okay, let's continue over here. It's the other side of the home. You have another hose bit there. Okay. Some of the landscaping. Okay, so I already took you around the house, so let's go inside. Over here, since I'm here and it's being shown, that white thing sticking out there, that's your cleanout. In case you get any major clogged, that's where the plumber comes in and puts the snake in. Okay, let's go inside. Over here you also have an outlet right there, your doorbell, and you have a nice keypad entrance. And we're in. So you can see you're walking with this humongous hallway. And close the door. Over here you have a closet right next to the door, your entrance door. Okay, let's keep going. We come here to our first stop. You got one bedroom on this side. You got the bathroom here. and the other bedroom on the other side. Let's first take a look at the first bedroom. It's a pretty decent size. You can stand around here so you can visualize the size. Okay, here's your closet. This home is 1,828 square feet under air. So it's a nice size. You know, not too big, not too small. Here's your guest bathroom, your sink, your bathtub, and your tile on the wall. The reason why I say that because other homes, they put plastic, a complete plastic tub with plastic wall. So that one has tile. Okay, this is the second bedroom now. That's a closet. Room size is very similar to the other room. I think it's the same size. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, over here you have another closet. Similar to the one next to the entrance door. Turn around so you can see. That's the entrance door right there. Okay, now let's go over to the third bedroom. This is the third bedroom. Come over here. You have your closet there in the corner. Right here. I mean, it looks small, but it's deep that way. I'm sorry about the lighting. It's kind of late afternoon. Okay, here we go. Here's where your AZ is. It's a 3-ton 14-0 carrier. Okay. Over here's your Hummingwell home temper stud. And over here is the garage. It's a double car garage. You got your water heater over there and your hurricane shutters over there. Okay, let's keep going. This is your kitchen here. Nice kitchen. Okay, it's all appliances are stainless steel. You have a pantry over here. Nice size pantry. And more cabinets on this side over here. Okay. The top, it's all quartz. Okay, you got your dishwasher over here. The nice thing about this kitchen is that it's in the middle. Here, so you have a view to your living room, and you got a view to the outside. So if you have guests, it's very nice to entertain. So it's pretty nice. And another thing I like is that it has a lot of cabinets. Let me stand over here so you can visualize all the cabinets you have. All this side here, you got all the way over there, and next to the stove, and then you have over here. So it's a nice size kitchen. If you like to cook, this kitchen could be very useful. Okay, let me show you now. More or less, people put the dining room in this area here, right in front of the kitchen. So let me stand over here so you can see the size. It's a pretty big room. Now over here, this will be your living room. Okay. You got your TV hook up here, partly for your cable, and the TV there. So most likely your TV will go on that wall. And let me stand far away so you can visualize the room. So I know it's very hard in the camera for you to see, but let me see right here. You see how big the room is? Okay, tell me in your comments below what you think about this home. I mean, this is one of the homes that sells the most, so I think it's because of the 1,828 square feet. Now we go over here to the master bedroom. Okay. I'll stand over here so you can see it's a pretty big size. You got this two beautiful, humongous windows look into the yard. That brings a lot of light in. Over here. Okay, now let's move into the master bathroom. Okay, you got your double sinks, humongous mirror, got lights up there, and you got a shower with all tile backsplash. It's a pretty big shower. I mean, that's not a small one, believe me. It's really big. And now over here you got your closet. Pretty big size. And over here you got another closet that's a little smaller. Sorry about the lighting again. And over here you got your water closet. Okay, let me turn this off so you don't make no more noise. Let me go back and show you the bathroom again. The bathroom has the same cabinets as the kitchen, so everything matches. Okay. And master. Let's go outside to the kitchen again. Here's your living room. And out here is where you go outside. This is what I showed you before. And if you screen this, this will be your screen one night. But like I told you before, this builder does not do that, so you're gonna have to do that after you purchase. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video. I'm planning to get other new construction models coming soon, so if you would like to see more new construction models like this, please feel free to hit that subscribe button. And if you need any real estate help in new construction or resale, please feel free to call us. My wife and I have been doing real estate in Fort Myers, Cape Coral for over 20 years, so we're pretty experienced. So remember, if you have any questions, feel free to comment below or just give us a call. You can call us at 239-410-7372. Well, signing off from Cape Coral, Florida. On to the next video. Have a good day.